Welcome back to another video from Kleis Car. My name is Max, and today we got a Caddy behind me, not a transporter. Got about 4 in, which is probably why that's in my head. Now, this Caddy has been in for a few upgrades. We're starting off with a little reverse camera at the back of the car. That works on the new Kenwood head unit that we fitted. We've gone for this reverse camera because the customer wanted a nice bird's eye view of everything going on behind him. And these cameras high up do give you the best view. They stick out a little. We do have options which go down here, which look a little bit more flush and discreet. However, this customer opted for this as their preferred reverse camera choice. If I hop into the vehicle, I'll give you a little show on what's going on inside here. So as you can see, we've got steering wheel controls. We've got a Kenwood head unit all fitted in there using our flush fit fascia. That all looks very nice and tidy. Customer wanted Apple CarPlay, wireless, Android Auto, obviously the reverse camera. And another little feature that we did do for the customer is we've actually coded on this digital speedo. Customer wanted to be able to just have a digital speedo reading. They're used to it on other vehicles. They got this car and they didn't have it. And fortunately on this particular vehicle, we have the ability to do that. Now, if I spin the camera around, here is the Kenwood head unit. Apple CarPlay connects up automatically or wirelessly. Connected my phone up to it already. The screen is real nice and easy to use. Sorry, missed it there. You got your favorites, recents, keypads, all the beautiful things that Apple CarPlay does. Apple Music if you use Apple Music. Apple Maps, touch the screen to wake it up. Click, go to your normal place of work or home, things like that. Go back there. You got iMessages, so you can check through your iMessages. You can have them read out to you. They'll actually come up when you're driving. You also got other things like your music, Kenwood home screen, which I'll go through in a second. Google Maps is another way of navigating. I preferably use Apple Maps generally myself. I got Tidal for my music, which is generally our preferred choice of music provider. Generally has very good quality music. Pretty much all the platforms are now level with it. Apple CarPlay just brings a much nicer way of using your phone. You even get radio player apps, so you can actually listen to DAB radio if you can't pick it up because the DAB reception where you are is not very good. So you got the best of both worlds on this system. Pressing the home button, you got your DAB radio section. Now this just connects up to the factory aerial, which was already on here, so a customer can search stations in here, have a little scroll, maybe wants a bit of greatest hit radios 80s, and then to simply save that, choose down here where you want to save it and hold it down. Simple as that. DAB radio works, so you still got your radio functionalities. We've got steering wheel controls which allow the customer to adjust the volume up and down, skip the tracks, things like that. Obviously this side of steering wheel controls the central clock display. Reverse camera works on reverse, so this is the reverse view that we're getting. Just about see the line of the bumper at the bottom here, so it gives you a nice view of what's going on behind you and some guidelines which can be turned on or off. That is that. I'm pretty sure if we press this, we also get the ability to check what's going on this camera button there, which can be rigged up for like rear camera or front camera. And the Kenwood head unit, it's a great head unit. Probably one of the most popular head units we're fitting into a lot of different vehicles. If your vehicle's compatible with a double DIN radio, it's got a special 3-year warranty on it at the moment. It has pretty much all the features that you would ever need in the car. Generally only things it's missing is CD player and a built-in navigation radio, which built-in navigation is kind of going out of date, to be honest, these days. A lot of people are much more favorable of Apple Maps, me included, Google Maps, Waze, things like that. That type of navigation is always updating. It's free. Built-in navigation is going out of date when new roads are being built. It's quite slow sometimes. So Apple Maps tend to be our favorite navigation generally. You got other apps like TomTom As well, which you can get in Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. This is pretty much a very brief look at a Kenwood 8021 installed into a Caddy. I didn't mention, but the factory USB port was actually knackered on this one, so we take out the factory USB port and put our Kenwood USB-C port, so that port is connected direct to the head unit. You can plug your phone into that, charge your fit, put USB media into the head unit and play it that way. Other things that we fitted is this little microphone, which is just up there. That is pretty much it. If you've got a Caddy, if you want Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, we've got many options. This is just one of them. Kenwood is a great option, to be honest, very easy to use, great warranty at the moment when fitted by a Kenwood Premier dealer. We can add a reverse camera if that's something you're looking for. Code on your digital speedo if you like the idea of that. And we can do many more upgrades like big sound upgrades, security upgrades, dash cameras and so forth. If you've got a vehicle you want to get upgraded, drop us a comment, ask some questions, get in contact with us via direct links in our bio, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching this video, take care and goodbye.